Hey creatives, I have bad news and good news for you today. And because I like to end on a good flavor, we're going to end with the good news. The bad news is the industry is constantly changing, and the way you get your stuff out there to the people who enjoy what you make is not going to be the same from year to year, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. That sucks. I know. When I first published, it was 2012, and at that point in time, there were so few books free on Amazon that if you made your book free on Amazon, it was guaranteed you'd get eyes on it. That worked great in 2012. Guess what doesn't work now at all? This is leading into the good news. As a creative, there is always going to be some method for you to get your stuff out there. Now, there is a challenge here because it means you have to learn. You're going to have to be adaptable. You have to make yourself flexible. But this doesn't mean that you can't get your stuff out there. And with all the recent fears with AI and all kinds of stuff showing up, I understand this is a very scary concept because in your head, the only way to get your stuff out there is through traditional publishing, traditional television, traditional movies. And if those avenues are blocked, well, you're in trouble. No, you just have to be flexible. People got their stuff out there long before we had internet, algorithms, and all of that stuff. None of those changes mean that you stop creating. There will always be a way. Just going to take patience on your part and maybe adjustments of expectations, but you're going to get your stuff out there. Don't be afraid of the changes in industry. Don't be afraid of competition. AI is not ready to write stories like you yet. Believe me, we're a ways off. Keep creating, keep learning, be flexible in how you get it out there, and people will enjoy what you make. It's going to happen. So let's face this crazy future together. Take a deep breath and sit down with me, and let's make something new.